Hi, my name's Albert Bowkett from Perfinal Core Banking, and this is my summary roundup of this series of video clips tackling the most essential core banking FAQs. So, if you missed the earlier clips and it's too long for you to watch, or you want a quick refresh, here's the Core Banking 101, the cheat sheet. Number 1, what is core banking? It's back-end banking tech, the software banks use to process transactions. Number 2, who uses it? Banks use core banking tech, but without it, we wouldn't have any networked electronic banking at all. Number 3, why does it matter? Core banking tech isn't as sexy as shiny fintech apps, but the shiny fintech apps need core banking, and efficient, convenient, secure banking systems give individuals freedom, inclusion, and access to affordable goods and services. Number 4, why was core banking created? Core banking was created in the UK in the 1960s to network branches and provide a basic level of transaction automation. Number 5, what problems did it solve? Before core banking, you could only access your money during the opening hours of your local branch. So core banking was the beginning of being able to access money on the move, around the clock, around the world, more easily and more cheaply. Number 6, what problems didn't core banking solve? Well, it didn't automate everything. It left a lot of gaps that needed to be filled manually, and it didn't put an end to end-of-day accounting. Number 7, how is core banking changing? We are at a big inflection point right now where the design principles of core banking systems from the 1960s, 70s, 80s and 90s are finally giving way to all new core banking platforms that are cloud native and typically use microarchitecture to solve historical issues around scalability and adaptiveness. Number 8, what legacy problems does core banking still need to solve in order to embrace a digital automated future? There are still gaps in automation of the full banking science, which includes finance, law, business, and IT. These gaps prevent true real-time and lead to workarounds, compliance risks, and analytical deficit. Number 9, what future problems will core banking need to solve? The industry is always changing, but my top 5 core banking predictions are automated AML fraud pipelines, automated multiple accounting structures, disruptions in consumer credit, multi-purpose accounts, and interactive user interfaces for financial executives to design, test, and execute core banking workflows. And if you're interested in any of those in more detail, have a skip back to my previous clip. So I hope you enjoyed this series of core banking essential FAQs. I hope it helped to demystify what is a pretty complex field, and I hope you enjoyed my predictions for the near future. If you want to challenge any of the assertions or speculations I've presented here, if I've said something in error, or you have an alternative take, or if you have any other essential core banking questions, do contact me or a member of the team at Perfinal using the link below, and I'll try to get back to you. Until then, thanks for watching this Perfinal Core Banking series, and I'll see you next time.